Hi, good evening. I'm Sunayana Chibba, founder style goddess. Today I have created this beautiful event, celebration of love, for a brand called Amaris by Prerna Rajpal, the beautiful jewelry designer. So this is at the Gallery Mall at New Delhi on the MG Road. We have these beautiful mother-daughters, who are going to walk the ramp wearing Prerna's creations and clothes by Reena Dhaka. And Prerna's done a lovely, lovely job today. I'm also wearing her beautiful piece, this beautiful emerald necklace, what she's done, a statement piece. And we're looking forward for all of you to come to the store to see her beautiful collection for the ongoing wedding season. And we would love everyone to come and have a look at our show.
Hi, I'm Prerna Rajpal. I'm the chief designer of Amaris. I started this brand with the vision of bringing jewelry which is affordable yet stunning to all the women in India, and I think we've sort of got there. It's taken us 10 years. We have a lovely collection of polki, diamonds, a lot of fun pieces, and a lot of serious heavy jewelry as well. We pride ourselves in doing a lot of bridal jewelry, and yet at the same time doing pieces which are fun. You can wear it daily, so drop by at some time.
I feel her designs are very interesting because they're different from what you get in all the other stores, which are very typically a little change from the other. But this, I think, has been specially designed. So I find the designs different and I find the prices comparable.
It's a rainbow of colors set against polkis and diamonds. I think it's very interesting.
Well, a chartered accountant who was determined, she had enough with financial statements, and she launched and created a brand in jewelry that will touch every woman's life and nothing less than perfection. So here is Prerna Rajpal. Where are you, lady? Please come take a bow. Oh, me? Yes?
Thank you so much for coming, guys, and making the evening wonderful. Thank you.
We're very, very privileged to walk the red carpet for Amaris today. We love the jewelry. I love what I'm wearing, and I absolutely love what Savera's wearing.
The pieces are all very beautiful, and we're honored to be here today.
Amaris has the most exclusive pieces. As you can see, I'm wearing some of her jewelry, and she's outstanding as a designer. Every piece is exclusive and exquisite.
I must say it's really beautiful. Each and every piece is different. It's so pretty, the cuts, the colors, everything. I just loved everything, and I wish her all the best.
I congratulate Prerna for this wonderful endeavor, such fabulous models. I really look forward to seeing her work more worn, more around, and to see women around here enjoying the collections.